welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be unboxing our new laptop. So this is the laptop which is clearly open already. Now it's open. But we haven't look at the laptop yet because we don't know what color is it. There's a color. Okay, wait. It's rich. Careful! Oh. Okay. 1, 2. Close your eyes. Okay, don't open your eyes. Oh, there's something. Oh. It's. I really open my eye. Same thing. Wait. Oh, it's a mouse! Wow. They have a mouse right here. See? They have a mouse. Oh my gosh! Wait, this is the back. Oh my gosh! What the? It's already open. Your one's open, my one's not open. Why is it open? Sure. It's so pretty. Wait, it's black color. I love this bubble. I like this bubble. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, I need someone to do this. This up. Oh my gosh, it's that hard. Oh my gosh. Look at this balloon. Careful. I'm not gonna pop it. You think you will pop it. Okay, I don't know what's this. I forgot what's this logo. I forgot. Bro, that's not how you open. Careful. Oh no, this is the back. Look. This is how you open. Lord. Wait, what is it? Wait, it's a small one. It's so small. The screen is so small. It's perfect. It's perfect for us. Oh my gosh, no one's already open. Wait. I don't want any on it. I'm on it. Just now. Let's open the mouse. Oh wait, let's open the mouse together. It's so pretty. Sorry. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's so fragile. You need to flex, you know? People. I don't flex. Okay, now let's open this. But we're gonna do ASMR. Shut up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. We're gonna open it. Wait, the mouse is so pretty. So pretty. This is the box. We all know the box. What's that? It smells bad. Of course. It smells bad. Of course. It came from the jet. What? It came from the jet. My jet? The jet. It's shining right here and it's perfect for my hand. It's too small for my hand. Alright. Okay, wait. Oh, I love it. Okay guys, so now we need to sign in. This is our just do you. Go to Google. Okay, my Gmail is. Wait, can you go get my iPhone? This is my first phone and then my second phone. And then my third phone, which is laptop. Oh wait, let me like find inside here because I have my use Gmail. Yeah, that's your Gmail. What the heck? Bro, how do you do like the big, like, big letter? How? Okay. We're not supposed to show our Gmail password to strangers, to the people who's watching this, right? Yeah. Bella. Yeah. Don't look, guys. Don't look. Blur this. Yeah, blur this. Yeah, blur this. What the frick? Oh, see fine. Okay, now. Okay, alright. What the? Show password like this one. What the heck? Huh? How do you find it? I forgot it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, bang ibu password aktif yang lo pilih mana? Okay. I'm gonna do password later. Okay. Okay. Okay, bye. So her mom, my one is done, but hers mom is not. Yay! Okay, mommy too. Yes! 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 Here, open it. Ta-da-da! Wow! Careful. You know what's that? Rainbow. Rainbow. I want that blue. Yeah. Open. How?
How do you actually open it?
Be careful, it will drop.
Wow.